Guys, we're going to be doing an example in chapter 11 now. Simple regression with forecasting. And the example comes from Dominique asks about chapter 9. I'm sorry, I said chapter 9, forecasting. Question number 3. Here's the question. Now, she already answered part A, but the other stuff wrong. So let's fill it in and see if we get it right. First of all, the data. And again, I'm going to put this into StatCrunch. I think it's simpler in this case. And I noticed that we have two dates. We have dates in conventional format, but also in what's called numeric format, where Excel and other programs calculate like some arbitrary number from like 1900 is 0, and the January 2nd is 1, 2, etc. And this is 40452 is October 1st, 2010. So October 2nd, 2010 will be 40453. Keep that in mind. First, we need a graph. Let's get a scatter plot where the X is going to be the numeric data, because you can't do character data. This is the index that we're trying to predict. And let's see what it looks like. This is what it looks like. So now we want to see which of the graphs. Well, we can go through them one by one, but let's check this one out. Well, this seems to be the graph with a straight line down the middle. It starts off high at around 10,450 and goes down. Let's see what the others look like. This goes up, goes down, 3 points. I mean, after all is said and done, this looks like the graph. There may be another option that actually draws a straight line for you. Let's see if that's true. X is the numeric data, Y is the index. Overlay a polynomial of order 1. That's linear. That's x to the first power. That's polynomial. Let's try that. Compute. And this is the picture. Again, similar to part B. But anyway, let's move on to the other part of it. Stat, regression, simple linear, because we have only one x and one y. The x variable is that numeric data. The y variable is the index. None of this, none of that, none of this. But we can make a prediction. If you go down here to the end of this, they make a prediction for the next 3 days. Well, what's the next day? Where's our data? If can't see it. Let's see if I can see it. Oh boy. You put in the date like what did I just say it was 4,053. I can't see the damn thing. Okay, let's see. Okay, it's 4052. So we're up to 40453. You put in 4053 here. 40453. Very next thing, 40453. Hit compute, and you get a few things. You get the slope, 19.23, which is around to 19.24. The intercept, which is minus 767,257, 767,257. I don't know why I didn't put down 0.31. I guess I could put that in. Make a forecast. Well, the forecast, putting in 40453 came out to one of which you can get by multiplying this slope by 40453 and then adding on this number to save yourself all that time. It comes out to 10,902.245, 10,902.245, and then you would do it again. This time, instead of putting in the 10452 or 53, you put in 10454. So we do stat, regression, simple linear, numeric index, and you put in 404 54. When it's a 53, 54. And you would hit compute. And of course, the slope and the intercept will be the same, but now our prediction is 10921.48, 10921.48, etc. I hope that explains it. I'm going to call it night sharing X out.